Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to make yummy crunchy roasted chicken. So let's make it. To make it, let's start with making the buttermilk. Let's make buttermilk by adding 3 teaspoons of vinegar into the milk and let it rust. So our batter is ready. Now add salt, chili powder and spicy mix and make it into a mix. Now add the chicken pieces with the skin and let it rest for 1 hour. Now take another bowl, take 2 eggs, garlic powder, salt, chili powder and all-purpose flour.
Mix.
Make it a fine batter by adding water and keep it aside. Now take another bowl with all-purpose flour, salt, corn flour and chili powder and mix it well. Now it's time for preparation. Heat the oil and take a piece of chicken, dip it in the flour mix and dip it in the batter and then again dip it in the flour mix and fry it until golden brown. Now let's have a spicy and a crunchy chicken with garlic sauce and french fries. Thank you for watching.